Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Tech Steps. If you just switched from Windows to Mac OS, you might be wondering, how do I Ctrl Alt Delete on a Mac? It is actually super simple. On Mac OS, you just need to press Option Command Escape. And the Force Quit Applications window will appear. On a Mac, this feature is called Force Quit. Once the Force Quit window is open, you can force close any unresponsive app by clicking on it, then hitting the Force Quit button. Then click Force Quit again to confirm. You can also press Command A to select all apps at once, then hit Force Quit. Note that Finder is a default application, so you cannot force quit it. You can only relaunch it. Here's another pro tip so you don't even need to open the window. If you want to force quit a specific app, just right-click on its icon in the dock. Then press and hold the Option key. You will see the Quit menu change to Force Quit. Just click it and that app will close immediately. I hope this video helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Easy Tech Steps for more Mac OS tips. See you in the next one.